Welcome back to Trading IQ, where we will learn the unlimited nature of the stock market. This is Shurabh Bhattacharjee, and in today's video, I'm going to follow up on my previous video that I've shared on Bank Nifty. And there is a major update that I wanted to share, and I have also invested in one of the stocks from the banking sector. Why I have invested, I will share that in today's video. So please watch till the end. So as you can see, this is the Bank Nifty, and this is where I have left off on my last video. And this was the range that Bank Nifty was hovering between 42,200 to 32,500. And last week it broke that range. And you see the volume candle bar, it's not like a small candle, it's a pretty significant candle. And it has about 1.39 billion of volume transaction. So it has some significance, and also it broke past of this range. And subsequently, since this is a stage 2 continuation, if it goes past of this trading range, this would be a stage 2 continuation, right? Now, there is this stock that I wanted to talk about, and I have invested some amount last Friday. Why? I'll share that. So this is Axis Bank. And as you can see, let me just remove the drawing first. And let me just draw a range. So this was the initial range that it was hovering around between 800 to 640, 650, around that range. And there was another significant range. I would just draw it with a resistance line. So this was the line. This was around 827. So it was probably hovering around this 828 to 640 or 640 range for a very long time. Why this is very significant? Because it saw this peak around in June 2019. So it's been over 3 years that it has seen such level. Now it broke past of this level 2 weeks back. And if you notice the volume bar, it is also significant because the consecutive 2 weeks it saw about 72 million and then 98 million of volume. And if you look at its past behavior, you see this peak. Let me just draw some lines. This is not significant, but just to kind of give you a perspective on the volume chart. So you see this is the peak. Now how many times has it touched this level? Here, right? Around here. Here, of course, because of the volume and the all other sectors were moving from stage 1 to stage 2 base after the pandemic, and now you see it touched this peak. It hasn't seen such peak for a very long time, and it's rare. So let me remove this because it is not significant. I just wanted to share some perspective. So just focus on this trading range, right? So this was the trading range, and it broke past of this trading range with significant volume. And as per the WEINSTEIN'S stage analysis, when there is a huge breakout of a significant level, there has to be a pullback to that level, like a retrace back to that level, which it did last week and the week before. So I took my position around 850 range, and it looks promising because it has good financials. The balance sheet looks promising, but again, we don't look at balance sheet because we are totally focused on the technical analysis portion of it. So based on the WEINSTEIN'S stage analysis, it is looking very promising. And just to give you a perspective on my risk level, so I'm going to discuss this on each of the video where I'll be sharing my positions. So this is the position. So this is another significant position because this is from this level, it broke down of this 30-week moving average and started stage 4, right? So this level, which is 760, is a very significant level. So my stop loss is around this level. If it broke past of that level, then I will get out of that position. But I have this level as my initial stop loss, and then I might look to invest some more based on how the structure looks, how the volume plays out. It totally depends on how it plays out. But as far as the stage analysis goes, this is looking promising because after the heavy breakout, which it did, of a significant level. This has been a significant resistance level, 825.26. It tried breaking out of that level, but you see the volume structure, it was pretty poor, right? There was more sellers. This was a heavy supply zone for over 3 years. Whenever it tried to go past of that level, it saw a heavy selling pressure, and then you see it could not reach that level. So that increased its significance, and when it broke past of that level and it is retracing back to that level, as per the Stan Weinstein stage analysis, which is my plan, of course, I'm going to initiate the plan, and which I did. And this around 850 range, I took some position, and I plan to take some more positions if it broke past of this 920 range, which is its all-time high as of now. And of course, I would took some position based on my risk appetite around this level, and then I would take a very significant or very tight stop loss around this range, because this was another range. It was sort of hovering after it broke past of this 30-week moving average on stage 2 base. So it totally depends on how it plays out. So I have a couple of backup plans. If it goes downside, I would do this. If it goes upside, I would do this. That is how you should plan. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with your friends, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you. Have a great day.